How to set the lock screen clock color to transparent or solid on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen. Now on the home screen or on the lock screen, touch and hold on the clock. Then enter in the pin or fingerprint. Next, tap on the widget, the clock widget. Then at the bottom here, tap on this icon to make it solid or transparent. You can see when I tap on it, the text here will be transparent or solid. And that's it, so tap on it will allow your text to be transparent or solid. After that, tap on the done button to save the changes. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for my videos.